Nature King. Yeah, I'm at a little park from right down the road where I stay at. You know where I am. Just out here looking at the water. You know, it be calm and smooth. Listening to the birds sing and play. You know, it's a little peaceful area though. I come out here most of the time. I'll be on the other side, you know, just doing a little meditation and stuff. Let me see that. Yeah, there go one of the trees over there that I meditate in. But I got a couple more, like, all the way back the other way. Like on the other side of this little stadium, whatever you call it. But, yeah, I love being over here, though. 13 love Mama Earth. It's just so relaxing. It's a good spot to meditate, too. I look at the duckies, you know. Them like my little favorite little duckies, or whatever they is. Yeah, they kind of look like ducks, I think. I don't know. But all they do is just eat the little fruits and stuff. The little seaweeds, it look like little fruits and stuff, though. They eat that all day. They stay in the same shape. I just be sitting watching them eating stuff like that. They food never run out either. You know, over there. It's just relaxing. A little turtle over there peeping out, you probably can't see it. You know, sometimes, or should I say half of the time, I be using my imagination. Even though I go out to the beach and stuff and relax, I imagine me as afloat like the ducks, you know, just floating right here, just chilling, you know, relaxing. And it's just so calm. I hate to hear the sound of the damn airplanes and jets and shit like that with all these damn chemtrails and shit. And helicopters and stuff, trying to blend out the bird sound, nature sounds. But they can't stop nothing. Sometimes I feel like the birds sing the best songs. I just humming sounding with no words. However you want to put it. The cloud kind of dark. Yeah. It's been raining for a couple of days. Hell, I loved it though. Even though I be wanting the sun to come out, but hey, I love both. You gotta keep it balanced. When we go on our nature walks and stuff, we see stuff like this. But it's something kind of like part of a nature walk. I mean, I be seeing all kind of birds out here and stuff. And it's just like so peaceful. I ain't worried about nothing. Like, nobody come out here and mess with them except for the jackass that come out here and fish and stuff like that. But otherwise, this how it be right here. It barely be people over here. The only time they come is when they fish, but it barely be people over here. I just come over here most of the time. I just chill over there in that area over there in the grass and stuff, laid back by the trees. And so I got all type of different spots over here at this park. I just be floating away, floated away. Man, I need to stop biting my lip and let it heal. It's my only hard, challenging part right there. blasting, be throwing like potato chip bags and stuff in the water. Like I don't throw nothing in now because I know fish are damn they eat anything. And I don't want to be the cause of that one of them dying or whatever. Cause I don't want to take the life of nobody. That ain't the way I rock it. I love all life, so they'll take the life for themselves if they deserve it. God, there go the sun. Yeah, there go the sun. Sun know I was here. Peeping out at me. 13 love to the sun. 13 love to Mama Nature. I feel so good. I mean, exciting in a way too, but like more relaxed. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, look at it. Him or her. Can't tell that ain't relaxing enough. And then they start talking to each other. Yeah, they make that little sound. It's like they could be in here all day and all night and they ain't got to go to no house. Ain't got to really worry about AC, no heater, or none of that. They just stay out in nature and just be relaxed. They ain't got to worry about no bills or nothing. Like they just living freely unless some jackass come and try to kill them or try to catch the fish. Then that be the only problem. But yeah, sometimes I be out here talking to them too. Half the time I be out here talking to them. Make a little noise and then they make it back. Yeah, I try to I be in tune with nature every day, all day. I worked on myself a lot, and I'm pretty much completed. Pretty much, there's more things out there to learn, but it's a lot of stuff that really don't matter to me. So I'm going back. The clouds trying to call the sun back again. Clouds can't stop it. It's just, not only trees that I love to be close to, but I just love to be close to animals. Like, I love to be close to the birds and stuff like that. I even love to see when they fly. How they be floating and gliding in the air and stuff like that. Just like so freely. I just love to be close to them. Yeah, we're all nature. We all here. Why not enjoy each other? I seen a lot of beautiful birds too. All of them beautiful. I be seeing a lot of colorful ones. The stuff that I see that people say ain't even in Florida. No, that ain't in Florida. That's somewhere else. Only if they knew. See, when you're in tune, you can see a lot of stuff, that other people can't even see. You realize a lot of stuff. That's why I stay with my mind open. I be willing to learn new stuff, but certain stuff is bored to me, and I feel like I don't need to know it, like certain history and stuff like that. Then I don't bother, going into it. I mean, history in school was always bored to me. I mean, the truth will always be, some fun, some excitement. But I mostly think about it and go out the importance to me. Everything else just seems like it falls in place. I don't really have to go look too hard, or it just come to me, just appears as if I been knew it. Actually, I have, but I just remember. So everything just come naturally. When you're doing everything naturally, originally, then it happens like that. I'm just feeling so laid back right now. But yeah. Ain't nobody over here do what we do, me and my little fam. It's like a spot I come to just to get away from everybody. My fam, they be with me sometime, but majority of the time I be out here just be floating, just be feeling this good old breeze. It's like Mama Nature knows exactly how to blow, and I just float along with her. It's the best sound. I get to the point I don't want to hear no music. I don't want to hear nothing. Not even the instrumental. I just be want to listen to nature, just hear nature. Try to learn how they speak and how they communicate. I know it's telepathic. I'm working on that too. So it's things I'm still working on. I got the master I got to get right. But one thing I can say, I'm farther than a lot. I'm farther than who I used to be. I'm way better than who I used to be. Not saying I'm no better than nobody else, because everybody can get where I'm at. It's all up to them. But I'm better than who I used to be. Yeah, little turtles and stuff. Probably can't see them though. I be seeing all the way out there. Good eyesight. Little turtle. Alrighty then. 13. Love and peace. Energy. 13, love to you all. 13, love yourself. I 13, love myself. My queen and my young stars. 13, love the universe. 13, love nature. 13, love earth. Mama universe. Mama nature. Mama earth. 13, love the sun. 13, love the moon. Yes, I love the moon too. So relaxing. like with that right kind of lighting. Yeah. Alright. Finna end this 13 a month. 13 everything.